A concept left to rot, still unmistakably Bugatti.
Every layer tells a year of neglect.
Light fades first, then the details vanish. Neglect leaves fingerprints you can't wipe away. Even the bolts have a memory.
It's not just dirty, it's sleeping in corrosion.
Restoration starts with what falls apart.
Small bends become big stories later.
Air can't cool what dirt has sealed.
Airways clogged, like lungs in a storm. This is the baseline, the honest starting line.
Carefully, millimeters matter.
Daylight tells the truth fast.
You don't force it, you plan it. Make the path gentle.
Easy, keep it breathing. Hold it like it matters. Tension is control. Secure it, then trust it. Every mile starts here. Connected, now it can move. Ready to leave the past behind.
The road to repair starts with a roll.
Different walls, same mission.
First, we let it breathe.
Unfasten the past carefully.
The shop has to match the job.
Same caution, new floor.
Home base, finally. Straight lines now, so it stays true later.
Lift wrong once, pay for it forever.
Up, slow, and honest. Safety is the quiet part of precision.
Now we can look properly.
Document everything, forget nothing.
Gaps speak before panels do. Let the dirt loosen first.
Years come off in streaks.
clean enough to see the truth.
Remove the mess, they'll inspect.
Now the damage has nowhere to hide. Solid, but compromised.
Map it before you fix it.
Gentle heat, clean release. Time for honest abrasion.
Strip it until it's real.
Mark the edge of failure. Smooth edges, clean foundation. Reveal the contour, then plan. This is where rot likes to live.
Air and grit. Surgical, not savage.
Strip it down to what remains. Clean air, clear decisions.
Every bolt gets a home.
First click, first surrender. Parts don't disappear, people let them.
Underneath is where the work starts.
Support everything, break nothing.
Rust holds tight until it doesn't.
Layout is memory you can trust. One panel at a time.
Strip it down to the skeleton.
Now the map matches reality.
Electrical first, always gentle.
Don't rush the brittle parts.
With the face off, the truth opens up.
Look where hands can't reach. Stripped, sorted, and ready for change.
Draw the wound before you treat it.
Straight lines make clean repairs.
Measure twice, spark once.
The repair starts with removal.
Replace only what's gone.
New metal, clean slate. Fit is everything before fire. A clean hole makes a tight fit.
One more weak spot gone.
Now we shape the truth.
Small batches, better control.
Just enough to level it.
Blend the line, lose the scar.
Light shows what hands miss. Set, then shape.
Cut the eyes first.
Long strokes, straight results.
Dust off, read the panel.
Paint the problem, then remove it. The map never lies.
Tiny holes, big reflections later.
Blend it until vanishes. Clean surface, clean outcome. Thick primer, thin mistakes. Primer is only a stage. Make it perfect.
Smooth now, gloss later.
Fit it before you force it.
One clean line again.
Fingers first, tools later.
Tight only when it's true.
The gap is the signature.
If it moves clean, it lives clean.
Bring Powell back, slowly.
Light is the first proof.
Mechanical truth is in the spin.
Time to see if it rolls like it should.
Movement is the first verdict.
Final touch, no rush. Gloss loves clean hands.
Touch it like it's glass.
Details live in the gaps. Clean wheels complete the illusion.
Subtle shine, proper finish.
Look for flaws before the world does.
It's the same car. Now it looks reborn.
Lines return when patience does.
This is the finish line, quietly.
Now it reflects what it always was.
Alive again, without hesitation.
And this is how a forgotten car returns to the road, full for, one step at a time.
The work ends here, the story doesn't.